Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about a nice setup that I got on volatility 10. So if I go straight to the charts, starting from the daily time frame, or should I say the weekly time frame, because once you go to your screen, you first of all do your top-down analysis. You can see I already had my trend line drawn using the wicks of these candles. So I was actually expecting the market to go back to the trend line and then tap into the trend line. So if I go back to my daily time frame, see that the market almost got close to the trend line. So I was actually expecting it to just tap, then I'll take a quick sell from there. But before then, on this daily time frame, I noticed that the market gave me a bullish breakout block. So by that I mean that you see this zone here, I'm moving the zone. So before I put that zone there, I got this bullish breakout block. So just follow this arrow. You see this blue candle here, this blue candle down here that I'm pointing at now. So that is what I used as the breakout block, because if I put this zone back, this block here, you see that the market, this is a bullish breakout block, because the market went up and on coming down it was supposed to respect this zone, thereby just tapping into the zone and then continue going up. That's what the market was supposed to do. But then the market ignored the zone as if there was nothing there. So with this impulsive move, or should I call it displacement, so the market just moved down, thereby ignoring this zone. That means whenever it comes back to the zone, it has to respect the zone. So immediately the market tapped into the zone. I went down to H1 to see if I can get a reversal pattern. And you guys know that I love the QM reversal pattern. That's the QML Quasimodo level. As you can see, the market gave me a nice QM setup by giving us this high here, a low, a higher high, by taking out this previous high here. Then got a lower low by taking out the previous low. Then all I have to do is for me to wait for the market to go back to this zone and give me the right shoulder, because this is the left shoulder now and this is the right shoulder. So this is called the QM level. That's the QML Quasimodo level. The right shoulder is the level, and this is where you take the trade. So I took the trade from this place all the way to the downside. Now if you go back to because on this right shoulder I also found another QML setup on the smaller time frame. So if you go back to the M15, you see that this is the right shoulder. The market also gave us the same QML here. You see it clearly from the 5 minutes time frame. Now this is it. So if I hadn't taken any trade, or if I had missed the main entry from the H1, I can also enter from this right shoulder now on the 5 minutes time frame, because this is the same setup. We have a high here, then a low, higher high, lower low. Then the market went up to give me the right shoulder. That's the QML. I can also enter from this place. So that's the setup. So whenever you get this kind of setup, you can also add divergence to know if you are right or wrong, because I can decide to bring out the RSI, that's the relative strength index, then use it to check for that. Now the RSI we serve as a divergence. Now if you take a look at this now, you see this move from this place to this place is is giving us, from the indicator we have a lower low, right? But if you go to the screen on the market is giving us a higher high. Do you see it? So this is called a divergence. And why am I looking out for divergence on this zone? Because from the H1, or should I say the daily time frame, I already know that this is a breakout block. So, and the market has tapped into it. Now I'm expecting a sell. So that is when I start looking for sell setups or sell patterns. So going back to H1, you see that I have a divergence here. You can use this crosshair to check it out. Starting from this zone, you see where the market is making higher highs, and on the indicator is giving us lower low. So that is a divergence, confirmation of a downtrend. So you just wait for the right shoulder to come here and form, and then you take the trade. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos.